Hello students, in continuation of the same chapter, now I am going to discuss one more topic, how to convert galvanometer into voltmeter. So question I have written on the board, you can write it, how to convert galvanometer into voltmeter. Answer is also written, to convert galvanometer into voltmeter, a high resistance should be connected in the series of galvanometer. Student, in previous video I taught you how to convert galvanometer into ammeter. In that video I make you clear that to convert galvanometer into ammeter we should connect a small resistance called shunt parallel to the galvanometer. But now in this case we have to connect a high resistance parallel series in the series of galvanometer to convert into voltmeter. Let's see how we can convert galvanometer into voltmeter once more. To convert galvanometer into voltmeter, a high resistance should be connected in series of the galvanometer. Suppose there is a resistance R dash across which potential difference has to be measured. Suppose some I current is passing through it and there is some potential difference between these 2 points A and B. So to measure potential difference between these 2 points due to this current and resistance R dash, we have to connect a voltmeter parallel to this resistance. But now the problem is what? How to convert the galvanometer into voltmeter? Suppose this is a galvanometer. If we connect a high resistance, this R is a high resistance, parallel to this galvanometer, then this whole system which is in the dotted line will be the voltmeter. So answer is written here. To convert galvanometer, this is galvanometer, this is the symbol of galvanometer as well as it is the value of coil resistance inside the galvanometer. So to convert this galvanometer into voltmeter, I have added a high resistance. So this R is a high resistance. So this whole system will become voltmeter. Now to find potential difference between any 2 points across any resistance, we have to connect this voltmeter parallel to that resistance. So to measure potential difference across this resistance R dash, I have connected this voltmeter parallel to these 2 points. Now student, this I current is passing through it. Very small part of the current I suffix G will be passes through this way. Because this resistance is very high, so most of the current will passes through this resistance. Because I written that this resistance R is a high resistance. स्टूडेंट जहां पर रेजिस्टेंस ज्यादा होता है वहां करंट की वैल्यू कम होती है, जहां रेजिस्टेंस कम होता है वहां करंट ज्यादा होती है. तो ये रेजिस्टेंस R बड़ा है तो यहां से करंट की वैल्यू बहुत कम होगी. इसको साइज मत देखिएगा, जो लिख दिया गया है उसके हिसाब से सोचिएगा. This resistance has higher value, so very small current will passes through this resistance. Most of the current will passes through this R dash, across which potential difference has to be measured. And we have connected this voltmeter parallel to the 2 points across this resistance R dash. Student, as I taught you so many times that in parallel potential difference is same. Whatever potential difference across R dash, the same potential difference will be across this G plus R. These two resistance G plus R are connected in series. So to find the potential difference across this resistance R dash, I will use this formula V equal to I into R. But in this case, this V equal to, the current is I suffix G and the resistance is G plus R. Why? They are connected in series. So the total resistance will be G plus R. Student, listen once more. I current is coming and it is passing through a resistance R dash, across which potential difference has to be measured. So we have connected a voltmeter parallel to the points across the resistance. But to make galvanometer into voltmeter, I have connected a high resistance. And the total resistance, high resistance in series, and the total resistance of this voltmeter will be G plus R. And current passing through this arm is I suffix G. So potential difference equal to, with the help of this formula V equal to IR, we can calculate I suffix G into G plus R. At the place of R, I have written G plus R because the resistance of this voltmeter is now G plus R. Both are connected in series. So I can write this line once more. V equal to Ig into the bracket G plus R. Now V by Ig can be written as G plus R. Take this G along left side. So V bind by Ig minus G equal to R. So this is the formula to convert galvanometer into voltmeter. In most of the problems, the value of R will be asked, that how to convert a galvanometer to make a voltmeter of this range. What value of resistance should be added? So many times any variable may be asked, but most of the time this value of R will be asked. So you can use this formula to calculate the value of R, how to convert galvanometer into voltmeter. Student, please write it. Thank you.